Young Explorer Contest is an all-India contest which is conducted every 6 months. The contest promotes project-based learning while making learning fun and relevant. Students from around 20 states and over 300 schools participate in the contest. Scholarships, prizes, and certificates from eminent organizations motivate students to do more and learn from each other. All their achievements are saved and help to build their portfolio. The mentor teachers also win awards for mentoring good projects. All their achievements also helps to build their portfolio to showcase it anytime, anywhere. Let's hear what Arunachala ma'am from Tiny Scholar School has to say about
All
tickLinks.
your life. Thank you, tickLinks, for the wonderful platform given to students and teachers. Thank you.
Topics of the contest helps the student to develop 4 C's: communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity. The contest helps showcase their work and also learn from each other and their projects. The Young Explorer Contest is hosted by tickLinks, and tickLinks promotes 21st century education, a learning that happens by doing, sharing of work and knowledge, and feedback from peers and teachers. Teachers and students get connected to amazing teachers across India. The teachers can share and learn from their experiences. Find amazing worksheets, videos, and activities on tickLinks. So wait no more. Students and teachers, download the tickLinks app today and become a part of the 21st century education program.